Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome to a new era of home design where creativity meets cutting-edge technology. Have you heard about the exciting ways AI is changing home design? It's not just a trend, it's a revolution that's transforming how we envision and create our living spaces. It's true. Imagine having a design partner who listens to your every need and magically transforms your vision into a reality. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cottage or a sleek modern loft, AI can help bring your ideas to life with precision and flair. That's the power of AI in home design. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on the same page as you, understanding your style and preferences. We're talking about smart tools and software that use artificial intelligence to help you create the home of your dreams. These tools can suggest layouts, color schemes, and even furniture arrangements that match your taste. No more struggling with graph paper or feeling lost in a sea of Pinterest boards. AI simplifies the process, making it more intuitive and less overwhelming. AI is here to make the entire design process smoother, more personalized, and a whole lot more fun. So why not embrace this technology and start designing your dream home today? With AI, the possibilities are endless, and the journey is just as exciting as the destination. Think of AI as your very own interior designer, available 24/7. These intelligent systems can analyze your style preferences, understand your lifestyle needs, and even factor in your budget to create a design that's uniquely you. Want a cozy farmhouse kitchen with a touch of modern flair? AI can make it happen. Dreaming of a spa-like bathroom with natural elements? AI can help you get there. The possibilities are truly endless. One of the most impressive aspects of AI in home design is its ability to generate personalized blueprints. You can input your desired room dimensions, preferred layout, and even upload inspiration photos. The AI algorithms get to work, analyzing your input and creating detailed floor plans that optimize space, flow, and functionality. You can easily make adjustments, experiment with different furniture arrangements, and visualize your future home in stunning detail. Bringing your dream home to life. AI doesn't stop at blueprints. It goes beyond, transforming your initial ideas into detailed digital plans that capture every nuance